Okay, so you're doing a wrap um, on a property that you've bought, and it's been a rental for you, and you forgot about capital gains tax. The question is, how do I handle capital gains on a wrap? Uh, I've owned it for over 2 years. The mortgage is in our name, not an LLC. We bought it for 237, and they're selling it for 450. And the question is, how do we avoid paying all those capital gains at one time? Of course, the answer to that is going to be you're going to treat this as an installment sale for tax reporting purposes. So instead of having to pay capital gains on all of your gain up front at one time, you're going to actually pay it as you receive it. And obviously, not a lot of people know that you can do that, but you can certainly do that. Now, there's some other factors involved that could come up down the road. I wouldn't worry too much about that right now. It doesn't sound like this is something that you do regularly. But if you do this habitually, there may come a time down the road, if you're audited, that the IRS decides that you're a dealer of properties and not an investor. And if that's the case, then they can, require on certain sales that you pay all the capital gains at one time. But the chance, first of all, you have to be audited. And as with any other IRS dealings or tax matters, if you're not audited, it doesn't make much difference. But it's perfectly legal. It's perfectly normal to claim these as an installment sale, and then just pay your tax as you receive it. And that's my recommendation and what I would do.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.